everyone, it's Beth and Sweetheart's Hair back with the lovely Bailey, and we're going to show you this really edgy braid that we saw online and we just fell in love with it, so let's get going. So I've started off by just taking this section of hair from the front and just to the crown and place the rest in a ponytail, and then we're going to go old school, guys. We're going to go crimpers. If you haven't got any crimpers, don't worry, you can still do the style, but it just makes the hair even easier to pull out. So next what you're going to do is divide this hair in two, but I'm just going to kind of zigzag it a little bit. Don't worry too much, I just don't want a complete straight line. Then I'm just going to go in with some backcombing powder because I want this braid to sit right up. So I'm going to do the inside bit first. I'm going to go in with that same powder but on this side. So I'm just going to bring these two bits forward because I've decided to do the side bits first. So I'm just going to bring these out of the way. So next you can use any products that you want to at this point. I'm just using this gel stick because I want to really get this hair smoothed in. So you're going to divide that into two. And then the piece that's closest to the face, you're just going to roll across, like so. And then we're going to grab a piece of hair, add it into this right section here, and then we're just going to roll it across. And then we're going to grab another section. So you're only adding into the right hand section on this side. And then you'll just carry on down doing that. And then I'm just going to stop there a moment and just start to just pull these sections a little bit. And then I'm going to continue twisting these rounds, pull at these. I'm going to make this braid really pulled out and big. So once I get to this part here, I don't need to go any lower than that. I'm just going to add in an elastic here. So this is going to be completely up to you at this point, but I'm going to go in and really pull at this braid. So again, we're going to come to this side and we're going to, it's going to be this one that's closest to the face that's going to be crossing over, adding a bit in, crossing over. Keep going all the way down for me. If you want to, you can start to pull out as you go if you find that easier. Bailey was saying she was feeling me pulling a little bit at the top here. So it might be easier to start that process of pulling it out as you go a little bit. It's up to you. So again, you're going to keep that twisting motion until you get to that ponytail. I'm going to just start that teasing out again, like I said on the last time, and then I'm going to go for it, guys. Me and Bailey, we like our braids big. As you can see, because they're connected here, it really enables you to go in and really give this braid some volume. I thought this would be a really cool style for like dance or cheer. So again, I'm going to go into these edge pieces here, and I'm also going to go into like the centre of the braid, if that makes sense, to really give that 3D effect. Coming back to the front section here, I just want a nice bit of volume at the front so it almost looks like this is like the first stitch of the braid. So I'm just going to spray that into place, and then to add more drama, you guessed it, we are backcombing this ponytail. So just going in with some texture spray. I know you dance mums and cheer mums will know how to do this, but you can kind of go a bit crazy right now. I'm not going to put loads of backcombing, but you could. You could make this ponytail be massive. But up to you, you can just have it nice and sleek if you want to, or you could sort of maybe do a different type of braid going into the pony. That might look really cute. Taking that comb and just gently skimming over that back comb there. So you've got an extra full ponytail then. So last bit of this style, guys, I'm just grabbing a small strand of hair from the back here, and we're just going to wrap that round. Wrap, 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 wrap. And then I'm just going to pin that into place. So this is our finished look. It looks like a massive, like, pulled out Dutch braid, but it's not. It's 2 twist braids. We knew differently. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.